Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to show you how to fix mic not working on PS5. So what you need to do is set up the microphone of your headset. Open the main menu of your console, click on the gear wheel icon in the top right corner and go to sound and then microphone. Select controller and microphone for input device for your controller. Change the status of the controller microphone to mute via the drop-down menu. Select your gaming headset for input device, and then you're now ready to chat with your friends using the headset. Now, you can easily adjust the microphone settings via the main menu. To do this, go to Settings, Sound, and then Audio Output with Adjust Microphone Level. You change the transmission volume of your microphone to your liking. That way, you can make yourself clearly understandable for others. With Side Tone Volume, you can adjust how loudly you hear yourself. Your headphones do not need to support this feature. If you want to change the transmission volume in the middle of a game, press and hold the PlayStation button on your controller, select mic, and turn the volume up or down. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Until the next one.